Hi guys, it's Mel here. I'm back with another hair makeover video, and today I'm gonna dye my hair kind of a red dusty pink color. I'm really scared. It's a very, I think, bold color. I don't know if I'm able to pull that off, but I guess we'll see about that. So if you didn't see my last hair makeover video, I'm gonna link it up here so you can check it out. But basically I bleached my hair to a somewhat light orange yellow color, and then I put a permanent color on, which was like a dark blonde. It kind of turned orange, so I went in again with a semi-permanent color, which made it more like cool toned and brown. And now the semi-permanent really faded out, and I'm left with this very brassy blonde color, I would say. In some lighting it's more brassy than other lighting, so sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. I don't really know, but as you can tell, my roots are growing in quite a lot. So I think it's been like 2 months since I bleached my hair. I honestly don't mind it that much, but I know that when it's gonna grow out more, it's gonna be difficult to like blend it in and hide it. I thought instead of maintaining it and like bleaching again, I'm gonna just apply a darker color on, so that's what I'm gonna do today. So I asked the vendor for a semi-permanent color, but she said that it's best to go with a permanent color since I bleached my hair. Like, my hair structure is like somewhat open. I don't know the technical term for that, but yeah, she said that even permanent color, it's gonna fade out with washes. So yeah, I'm trusting her on that. And this is the Mayandra permanent color, which is the same brand as I used in my last video. This is in the color dark red irisé blonde, and the number is 6.62. She also gave me a keratin booster to add in the mixture. I don't really know what this does, but it's supposed to be good for your hair, so I'm gonna add that in as well, and we'll see how it goes. As you can see, I have the same t-shirt on. This I think will become my like hair t-shirt, and it's the Hogwarts Harry Potter one. I love it, but it's very old, so that's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the mixture. I think I'm gonna start with half of it. I'm probably gonna use all of it, but just in case, I don't want to waste any product, so I'm gonna do half with one bottle, and then if I need more, I'm gonna do the other half with like the second bottle. Let's do it. I'm gonna section out my hair in 4 sections, and I'm gonna start by dyeing the roots first. Okay, so I have gloves right here. I'm gonna put some Vaseline on my skin to protect it because I don't want it to turn red. Okay. Gloves. This one is huge, I don't know why, but okay, so I'm gonna measure out half of this, so 50 mils. Oh my god, it already smells so strong. Okay, I have 50. My eyes are already watery just from that. Okay, so I have 50, and then I'm gonna use 1 bottle of developer, and I'm also gonna add that as well. Okay, so let's mix it. It smells really good. Oh my god, the keratin stuff. It's turning pinkish. I don't know if you can tell. Okay, so let's start with the roots. I'm gonna start with the front. Honestly, I used to say that I would never touch my hair because I loved my like natural dark hair, but the past couple of years I've been experiencing a lot with my hair because I don't know, I think that's like the easiest thing to change about you, other than makeup obviously, but also it's just hair, so it's like always gonna grow out anyway, so I don't really mind changing it. Like, red is definitely out of my comfort zone, but I think that it's good to like give it a try, you know. Hopefully it's gonna look good, but otherwise I can just like dye it back to brown, and that's okay, you know. Okay, that's done. I'm gonna do the other part in the front here. It's very pink already. The color in the bowl is so pretty. Look at that. Can you tell? It's so pretty. Oh my god. I'm trying to go like quite quickly. I don't know if that's a thing or not. I know that's very important when you're bleaching your hair. I'm not sure if it is as much when you like just dye it. Okay, so I got all my roots in the front. I'm gonna do the back off camera and I'll come back. So I think I did a pretty good job. This is the back. Hopefully it's not blotchy. So I'm gonna put that in a plastic bag and wait for like, I think it's 20 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna check the packaging. Just gonna... I have my hands, oh my god. I'm gonna wash it. So I just put it in a bag. I'm gonna wash it in like 30 minutes. I just washed my hair and it's kind of staying there. So I'm gonna wipe up my neck as well because, oh my god, this is bad. I can't even see it. I think that's gonna stay, but oh my god. It also stained my floors. I was kind of careful with it. It's not too bad, but it kind of looks like blood. Oopsies. Okay, so time's up. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair with a post-coloration shampoo. I'm gonna condition it as well and I'll come back to you guys. I'm so excited to see the results. Oh my god. So I'll just show you guys like a last time. This is what it looks like now with the hair dyeing. Oh my god, it's really red. Oh my god. Okay, so I just washed my hair. I didn't see my hair yet. I'm kind of scared, kind of excited, kind of scared. What I can say is that the color of the water that was coming out of my hair looked really pretty. I like washed it twice and then applied conditioner. Even after like 3 washes, color was still coming out of my hair, so I think it will still take a couple of times to like wash out all the hair dye. But yeah, let's take out the towel and see the results. Oh my god. It's really dark. Obviously it's still like drenched in water right now. I have something in my eye. I have a little mirror right here. Oh my god. The color is really pretty. I don't know, can you tell? Wait, I have something in my eye. So I'm just gonna brush it out. Oh my god. Ah! I have red hair. So this is what it looks like so far. It's not shocking for now. Obviously we need to see it dry to like see the final results, but so far I really like it. Kind of looks brown on camera, I think, but in real life there's more like purple hue to it. So this is my hair with natural lighting. I think with the other lighting it kind of washed out the color, but now you can definitely see that it's a bit more red. It's really pretty and I think it really blended in with my roots pretty well. And this is the back. I hope it's not blotchy or anything. So I think I'm gonna like put some oil in just to nourish my hair. I'm gonna let it air dry a little bit and I'll show you guys the final results tomorrow when I have some makeup on. So I'll see you guys then. Ta-da! So this is the final result. I love it so freaking much. I was kind of scared, but turns out it looks really good in my opinion. I think on camera in this lighting you can't really see like the color that much, but yeah, I'm so happy with how it turned out. What do you guys think? So I'm gonna try to film like different shots of my hair in different lighting, like outside in the sunlight and stuff, so you can see that, and I'm gonna insert that now. So as you can see, depending on the lighting, the hair color really changes. In some lighting it's very red, and in some other lighting it's more pinkish, and like in darker lighting it almost looks brown, which I love. I think it will probably fade out quite a lot with washes. I think it really blended in very good with my roots. Like it's darker obviously, but then it's like more a faded look, so I think it's gonna grow out quite nicely. It's definitely a bold and out of my comfort zone color, but honestly I love it so freaking much. I still feel awkward like walking around outside. I'm pretty sure people notices it, but yeah, I guess that comes with like a crazy color like that. And it's not even that crazy. I'm not saying that's like the craziest color ever, but I think it's pretty bold. But yeah, I'm living for it. So I'm gonna end this video here. If you are looking to dye your hair this color, honestly just go for it. It's so pretty and I'm sure you're gonna love it. If you don't like it, you can always just dye over it or like remove the color. So I think you have nothing to lose. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!